Hello, I'm Martina Trakas. I work for the Open Geospatial Consortium and I'm OGC's Director for European Services. Accessibility of data is crucial for commercial businesses, for citizens and government alike. And a key factor for accessibility is standardization, and this is where our members work. As the GEOS common infrastructure, the GCI is based on OGC standards. It certainly makes sense for participants in the GEO Appathon to look into OGC standards. The open standards help certainly to make your app interoperable with other applications.
My name is Guido Colangeli and working at the European Space Agency. What we did with the GEOS portal is just to give an idea of how you can access and unleash all those wealth of data that are coming from the GEOS portal. So the inspiration would be just to try to make those data available to any people that would like to use, especially to decision makers that has their power to decide then on them. So to unleash again the power of those data, just adding more things, more application, and especially going mobile, just to mobilize those data. Just because it's absolutely exciting, you have tons, billions of data to unleash to the public, to the general public, and to yourself also, to try to develop tools to exploit them or just to make them discoverable through the application.
Okay, I'm Mattia Santoro from Italian National Research Council. I work in the team that develops the Geo Discovery and Access Broker. The goal of this software is to make possible to access all the diverse and distributed systems contributing to GEOS in an easy and simple way, shifting all the complexity of interoperability arrangements to this component and allowing the development of client applications exploiting the GEOS data in an easy way. You should come in to exploit and use the data which are provided by organizations and government agencies from all over the world to GEOS and to transform all of this data into information and knowledge.
Yes, so GIS Cloud is about creating a cloud platform for geospatial, and we cannot say it's about the apps, not the maps. So we cannot try to utilize all the map data that is out there and enable creation of new applications that can work on all platforms. That would be mobile, tablet, and web. I think the main reason would be to leverage all the data that is out there, because if you have the data that is not used, and being accessible in a nice way through a nice app, then you cannot actually use the data easily. So the big challenge here is how you can make all that data useful through nice applications. The difference is that once you have the data at one place, once you want to build a map or find data, it's nice when you have one place to find it, because today data is scattered across the web on many sources. So it's nice to have a service that can kind of aggregate all the data at one point, at one place, and give you an easy access to it. I think it's a game changer. Data definitely is a king, because without the data you cannot do anything. But still, the missing component is a platform and an applications that can leverage that data. So when we combine powerful data as a service platform together with APIs and applications, then GIS will have a really powerful combined solution.
My name is Paola De Salvo. I'm representing ESRI, and we are very proud and honored today to be a technical partner to the launch of the first GEO Appathon. ESRI is providing the all Appathon registrants with a free ArcGIS developer account to be able to build apps, leverages APIs and SDKs that are in the hands of all developers. You do not need to be a developer. You have to all have a great idea about what application you're building, leveraging Earth observation. Earth observation data is out there, needs to be used to trigger best decisions, and you'll find within the ArcGIS platform a great variety of content together with the GeoDAB from the GEO platform. We encourage you, a developer, a scientific officer, and to go ahead and develop an application that will trigger a change within the decision-making process leveraging Earth observation data. The main scope of the Appathon is really turning data into information, information into action. During the demo, at the launch of the Appathon, I demoed how to use Earth observations such Landsat 8 available daily in our GIS platform and integrate this with the real-time NASA forest fires. Food security, deforestation, climate change is happening at the ground level. And Earth observation can help decision makers to understand what's going on in real time and take the best decision. Are we intervening for food security in the correct part of the world? Is famine going on? We can see that through the use of NDVI. Is deforestation happening in Latin America and Brazil for palm oil production? We can see that through Earth observation, NASA real-time forest fires, and do time series analysis. All of this is feasible by the technology, easy to use, interoperable technology that exists through the ArcGIS platform and through the use of Earth observation data.